Alright, first of all, I want to say Happy New Year to everybody. 2020 is in a couple of hours. And secondly, I want to say there were a lot of big shoes that were released within the last year. A lot of great shoes, but there are a couple that stood out to me that were different, unique, and the key word here is slept on. The shoe that I'm about to unveil is my favorite personal all-season shoe, and I'll explain to you why right now. Now, this video is also in 4K, so if you have 4K, then hey, this is your lucky day. Now, let's get to the unboxing. Of course, you don't know what it is yet, but we're about to find out. Everywhere, right over here. That is a lot of tape. I had tape all over this box. I'm basically just bum rushing it. So, right, so that box went through something, player. So as you can see right here, here is the box, and you can tell it's something from Nike. And right here, as you can see on this side, this is the Nike Air Force 270 utility. Now these are retailed right here at $175, but you probably could find these somewhere online, maybe a little cheaper or maybe a little higher, because this is a very, very rare shoe. Now let's open the box and take a look. Bada boom, bada bam. Now this is the all black, metallic, and silver version. And people, when I say this shoe has changed the game, this shoe has changed the game, and I'll tell you why. I have never ever in my life seen a shoe with the tech that this shoe has. And I mean, it has everything, people. Everything that you would want. Now, let's take a look at the design. As you can see right here, this shoe has that magnetic technology. Well, you could pull and open this, and it latches back with a magnetic tab. That's one of the cool features that it has. Also, it has a strap that's on there for different versions of them. So the most important thing is that it also has this booty that zips you in all season round, that protects you from all elements of the weather. And of course, the all so popular 270 Air Max Bubble, and this is all black. Now this is leather all around here, all around, yeah. Now this is designed to be scuff tech. Like, bruh, this will not scuff. If you worried about your shoes getting scuffed, you ain't gotta worry about it with this. And the best part about this shoe, it's water resistant. And like I said, they have this new technology on here where you can't scuff them. And you can wear these all year round. Right here you have the pull tab on the bottom. You can see the air unit as well. It's so big, it's like walking on air. You have the Nike logo right here. And let's look inside of it, and we'll talk a little bit about it, because people don't tell you about what you're buying usually. As you can see on the inside, you have another Nike logo, and pretty much this is a basic all black and metallic version. Now this is basically a utilitarian twist on the iconic Nike favorite, the Nike Air Force 270. Most people have heard of it, saw it, or want them. And also, the shoe features that heavy duty protection against the elements, like I was telling you. Don't be afraid to go off-road in water, because this is water resistant all around. No matter what the weather is, this will protect you. Water resistance. Now it also has an abrasion resistance. Endurable just about for any type of weather. Snow, don't matter. Mid-weight. And the upper, like I said, offers that coverage and support. Booty-like upper has that secure fit. And this is that TecTuff material. TecTuff, where you don't have to worry about all the water and scuffs, because this material is resistant to water and abrasion, so you can stay dry and comfortable. And this is real leather on the shoe, as well as, like I said, this has several different versions. Some come with just a pull tab where you could strap in and out, and some come with that magnetic technology where it just pull up and it automatically closes on its own. But people, this is my shoe of the year for several reasons, but more importantly, it's all season. Like, you don't have to worry about summer sweating your ass off, because these are made to keep you cool in the summer and warm in the winter. And I mean, it's just certified dope and super duper comfortable to put on. But it's only one way that you would know that these are truly good on feet, and that's to see them. So that's what's next. I will be doing the on feet, and I'll give these Nike Air Force 270 utilities a 5 out of 5. Like this video, leave your comment, share this on social media, Instagram, YouTube, as well as Facebook. But more importantly, hit that notification button and subscribe later.